First thing I did on my training today was drop on my backside. Then me get up and I tried again. I was trying to do the switches. I was on the regular gainer switch and I was also trying to do the flash gainer twist or whatever you call it. I was trying to work on my farm mostly. As you can see, not good. A while ago I stepped on Maca. Now Maca juke me, but they have to do a bad soldier dive roll out of the Maca them. I'm back to trying the switch, which didn't work out properly. Was also working on my 360 because I wanted to try the double, and that was a double drop like breadfruit. Again, double drop like breadfruit. That didn't really go well for me, but I tried. I saw a girl do that, so I'm like, if a girl can do it, I can do it too. Actually, and then the arthritis chippy in there, so that wasn't fun. I decided to have a rubber band and tie my foot them so I can fix the flip them properly. And that was okay. Wasn't the best, but my first time trying it, I tired myself. Anyways, it was fun.